over here on IWM Buzz. This is your host Shubhajit Ghosh, and as I said in the very beginning, that it's good to see you after a long time. I think the last time was Yaad Piya Ki Aane Lagi, and now again we are promoting another new song. And talking about the new song, 35 million views in this short span of time. Tell us about this exciting relation of yours with music videos, because it's just not now. It's been there since a long time, right from your Honey Honey days with Salman sir to Yaad Piya Ki Aane Lagi, and this. I mean, some really rave hook steps. What is your relation and connection with music videos that never seems to get old?
I think it's not my connection. I feel it's my connection with with probably the audience, because they connect with me as an artist, and I'm so thankful to them for it. Because, like, for example, I was behind the camera for such a long time as a director. I was working, and then with Yaad Piya Ki I started like acting, and there was no big star in the video, or there was nobody else to shoulder the thing. The entire thing was on my shoulders, and they made it so huge. It's crossed like 370 million views. So
Yes.
it was such a big thing for me, because for the audience to be that they connected with me, and I'm really grateful to them for it, and to everyone who provided all the love and support to me. And then I just did this song Teri Aankhon Mein, which is also crossed like 135 million views since it released recently. And now Besharam Bewafa is doing so well. So I'm thankful that they are accepting me as an artist, because her artistly, that's the most important, that the work you do go connect to audience, and that is what you work for.
Absolutely, and it is definitely connecting with the audience. Now, talking about celebrations and working, you obviously started as you said, behind the camera, to going forward as a lead heroine, or Apollo as the lead star of any music video. It's been a great journey and a fascinating one so far. Your birthday, now ऐसा कहा जाता है कि if you spend your birthday on a day or where you love the most, nothing better than that. For me, I believe you love the movie sets the most, and that's exactly where you spent your birthday this year as well. The photos were really amazing. The stories
Thank you.
Thank
you so
तो आप
much.
मुझे बताएं कि ये इस साल बर्थडे कैसा रहा, because last year was different, a lot of human contact. What was it like this time?
I was also missing my last year's birthday this year, because last year birthday पे आप सब आए थे, and I was actually remembering it and feeling कि wow, such a beautiful party I had, and it was so enjoyable and so nice. And this year again, I was shooting, so my like 12 o'clock हो गए रात को, and John and everyone, they wanted me to cut the cake, and then we were doing night shift. So our shift packed up like at 6:30 in the morning. So we went to the hotel, and then again like 4:30 we had to be back on the sets for the 6 o'clock shift. So वापस उस रात भी वापस cake काटा. So 2 nights my birthday was going on the sets, and we were shooting the romantic song. So it was really nice. I was in this whole lehenga and all of that, and I asked my director Milak ki let me change, otherwise my look will go out, and if we release these pictures. So he said no, I'm okay with the look going out. So since he was okay, I was like chalo theek hai, fine.
But as you said that last year we all were there. It was like a different sort of celebration. This one was a lot more close knit with just your your co-actors, because of the limitations that we have due to COVID. But tell us, what were the crazy scenes that happened during the shoot? Because obviously work was happening, but at the same time it is Divya Khosla Kumar's birthday. How can it not be a crazy one when you have people around? So what did John and others do to actually make it a special one for you?
See, John is an amazing human being. We share a great bonding, and on the sets, he's such a fabulous co-star, and I'm really enjoying being on the Satyamev Jayate 2 sets. It's the most positive set, and we all are working with so much of passion to make this movie good, and pura like all this thing exciting for the audience. So I think I'm happy to be part of it. Or baki to they do a lot, like they do a lot for me to make me feel comfortable on the set. ऐसा कुछ अटपटा तो नहीं हुआ which I can relate, or something which is exciting, but we are all just so happy to be working together.
Absolutely, nothing beats the satisfaction of working in a nice way. But I saw some of the comments over there on your Instagram. I think the last post regarding Besharam Bewafa, and there were some people who were questioning. Basically, I don't remember the name. There was not just one individual, but there were many people who were asking, "Ki ma'am, अब तो आप सत्यमेव जयते 2 में आ रही हो as an actress, so will we see you less in music videos in the future because Satyameva Jayate 2 say a new beginning is gonna start. So are you planning to kind of correlate and co-pace both of them at the same time, or is it like now movies will be the front runner?
So I've not really planned anything, not really thought of anything. Yeah. I know I have to do Yaad Piya Ki part 2 because everybody, each and every person on this whomsoever I've met has asked me part 2. So both that one thing is pending. Yeah. But otherwise, I don't think before Satyamev Jayate 2 anything else will come out for sure. But having said that, I can say that songs are iconic. You know, जैसे 60s के गाने हमें अभी भी सारे याद है, अभी भी रेडियो पे बजते हैं. पिक्चरें हम इतनी नहीं देखते 60s की, 40s की, 50s की, 60s की, but गाने सदा बाहर रहते हैं. तो songs have, music has that kind of, it's an art which, you know, transcends boundaries and, you know, which brings people together, and so much music has to offer. So I think one should never let the music fade out of his or her life. So music, I think, is a very intrinsic part of my life, and it was a great opportunity for me to do these 3 music videos, Yaad Piya Ki Aane Lagi and Teri Aankhon Mein, which released recently, which also has done super well, and now Besharam Bewafa, and all 3 have been directed by Radhika Rao and Vinay Sandhu. So yeah, it was a brilliant opportunity.
You mentioned about you know, Yaad Piya Ki Aane Lagi part 2. It's a mandatory mention because I think the kind of rage comments that has been there on the YouTube, and it's there on YouTube. I'm not saying that on my own. It's there on YouTube in the comment section. बाहुबली के टाइम पे there was a question कि कटप्पा ने बाहुबली को क्यों मारा, and that was the wait for Bahubali 2. Just like that, the ending shot of Yaad Piya Ki Aane Lagi made people wait कि यार ये part 2 कब आएगा. So I think you clarified that as well on a really positive and interesting note.
The song is ready, but the concept and everything is not ready, and we haven't shot it yet. So, you know, and my directors take like quite a lot of time. They put a lot of detailing and planning into the project. So I'm not sure kab aayega, but I can keep my fingers crossed and say ki jaldi aa jaye.
Well, better late than never. That's all that we can say. But you know, one last question and one last point that I would like to talk about is the fact that, you know, 2020 has been a very difficult for, you know, one and all. We started on a different note, and, you know, slowly and steadily things are getting better. I wouldn't say that everything is fine right now, but things are getting better. You are getting to work on the sets. You know, slowly and steadily we are coming to terms with what's happening. But when the lockdown period was there, you know, it was all like, you know, isolated in your own rooms. You can't really go out. What was Divya Khosla Kumar's mantra to keep herself healthy and, you know, fit, not just physically, but also mental health, which is considered to be very important? How did you keep yourself sane at that point of time?
So, you know, I meditate a lot. So that's my go-to mantra. I have been meditating since quite a few years. So I do Raj Yoga, so that really helps me. And when the lockdown happened on the 25th of March, my film Satyamev Jayate 2 was just about to go on floors in April. And I had waited almost a year because मैंने last year May में sign की थी, almost a year for it to go on floors and my thing to start. So मेरे लिए था, oh God, यार अभी lockdown हो गया, and there was no clue when the film would go on floors, what's going to happen to entertainment. But I'm happy that I didn't let it affect me mentally, because I'm a positive person and I meditate and I,
of course.
And at the end, like second half of June when the lockdown was ending, I just thanked God that, you know, thank you God that this time which has happened, we have passed so happily. Like I was with my family at home, and we passed it very happily, and I didn't let anything affect me mentally. And, you know, we all were very happy to be together, to be at home, and to be enjoying small things that life has to offer. You know, life is, I think, more, the beauty of life is more about the smaller things. So I think relationships are very important in life, being close to your loved ones, sharing with them. I think all of that is equally important as your ambitions, your career. So, you know, that balance is very important. And
I think truly said, very well said, because, you know, a lot of people felt it was like a blessing in disguise, because itna kaam rehta hai pure saal, you know, you just don't get time to spend with your family, which is the first priority for everyone. So good to know that you have got to do that, and congratulations once again, 35 million views and still kicking and going. It's going to be soaring all the way more, and I hope the next time we are promoting Satyamev Jayate 2, or any song of yours, we don't have to do it virtually like this. We can do it
I
right
hope
in
so
reality.
Too. I really hope that.
And definitely we'll get that going. All the best for Satyamev Jayate 2.
Thank
and
you.
This one as well. Thank you so much for joining us over here. It's a pleasure. Take care and stay safe.
Much.
Good to see you again.
Bye.